Hello, my dear friends. My name is Parth, and I welcome you to our channel Must Watch Tips. Today, in this video, I am going to show how to make this beautiful presentation, which is totally based on the theme called Earth, Save Earth. So, as you can see, this is very eye-catching presentation, and it can be made within few minutes because I am going to show how to make this PowerPoint presentation step by step. So, without any further talks, let's get into this video and start making this presentation. So I have taken a new blank presentation, and to start with this presentation we need an image, a high quality image whose vertical dimension is greater than the horizontal dimension. So let me import that image in this. So I will go to insert, picture and this device. I will select that particular image, and you need to choose this background image as per your theme. So as you can see that the image which I have imported has dimension, vertical dimension greater than the horizontal dimension, and which is quite good image. As you can see, if I zoom in, the image is not getting blurred. So it is a high quality image. Now I will maximize this image like this. So next we need to make an object whose one side is having a wavy curves, a random curves. So we'll go to insert, we will go to shapes, and we will choose option called curve. So I will click on one point, then I will click on another point, and then if I click on third point, you can see that it is creating a curve like this. So I will click over here, then again I will click here, and in that way I can create a random curve like this. And as soon as you do all the curves, you will go to all four sides, and then you will merge it with the point where you have initially started. And as soon as you finish, it will be an object where you can change the shape fill and shape outline as well. So let us start making that, and you need to make sure that the shape you create, the random curve shape, should be bigger than the image which you have selected. So let us do that. I will go to shape, curve, and I will make random curves like this. So as you can see, I have made a shape whose one side is having curves like this. I will select no outline for this curve. We want it this side on the right hand side, so we will rotate it 180 degree and move it to the right hand side. So if you want to see how much portion it will cover, so you can just move this image a little bit, and you can see that the slide area is still this image. So it will be visible till this area. And the next step is to change the color of this object. So let me paste it from my clipboard. And to have a color palette like this, you can just go to Google and type green color palette, and it will show you variety of color palettes for the shades which you have asked for. And you need to just take a snip of this particular area, and you can paste it over here by pressing Ctrl V. So I will select this shape, go to shape format, and in shape fill I will select eyedropper color, and let me choose this darker one. So this is how you can take color from the color palette, whichever color you want. Now I will select this object, go to shape format, and let us give a shadow. So we will select this shadow, increase the blur to 10 points and size to 102%. And let us duplicate this object by pressing Ctrl D. So it will get duplicated. I will place it over here, and for this second shape which is above the below shape, I will go to shape format, shape fill, and I will choose a lighter shade for this like this. I will again press Ctrl D for the third one and the fourth one, and I will again go to a shape fill, eyedropper tool, and let me choose a lighter one this time. Let us bring this even closer. So it will look like this when you present this slide. And now it's time to add placeholder. So let us say I'm planning to add 3 slides in this presentation. So I will add 3 placeholders, one here, the title, and the subtitle over here on the right hand side. So I've copied it in my clipboard. So I'll just paste it over here like this. And you can see a small preview over here in the left hand side. So if I just maximize this, you can see that how much portion of the slide will be visible to me while I present the particular slide. So let us say in the first slide, it will be like this. And let me just show you which type of font I have chosen. So in this, I have chosen Oswald with 60 plus font size. And in this one, I have chosen this one with respective size. And let me just duplicate this. I'll press Ctrl D. And now the main part is I will select all of this. I will move it upward like this. And at the same time, you can see the preview over here. So you can adjust it according to that. And in the second slide, we will move this a bit upward to have a good animation. And these 2 text boxes will move a bit downwards because it was somewhat visible over here. And this will add a good animation. So second slide is ready. Now again I will go to slide number 2, press Ctrl D. So this will make the duplicate of second slide. Again I will select all and I will move this a bit upward like this. And similarly I'll do same for the text boxes. So I need to make sure that it is positioned exactly in the center. And I will move this 2 text boxes a bit upward. And now as we have completed making all the 3 slides, we will select all, go to transition and apply morph transition with a duration of 2 seconds, apply to all, and you can choose 1.5 if you want. So now let us see what we have made till now. So this is the very first slide. If I click on next, it will move like this and it is looking quite awesome. And the third slide. So this is very eye-catching presentation and we have just completed in few steps. So I hope you like this and please consider subscribing this channel and share it with your friends. Also share your feedback in the below given comment box. Your comment and feedback always keeps us motivated in creating this type of presentation. So please keep us motivated and now it's time to say you goodbye. See you in the next presentation.